Hello children, how are you? I am Anu Sharma from Social Science faculty. Today I am not going to teach you, not taking any topic of SST, only just we will talk. Okay, how many of you think that SST is not good subject? It is difficult and not interesting subject. Yes, many students procrastinate studying SST. Being SST teachers, we face these questions. Ma'am, we don't understand SST. Please tell us some important question for the exams. But after watching this video, you will never say that SST is difficult subject. It is not an interesting subject. First of all, I would tell you one incident of my life. I had been afraid of SST till 6th class. When I came in 7th class, in half yearly, I got only 26 marks out of 70. And I felt ashamed of myself because in other subjects I got 75% marks or above 75%. So I decided to improve this subject and I started working on this subject. What I did, I tell you. First of all, I removed fear of SST from my mind. Second thing, I started listening carefully the chapter in class. When ma'am explained the chapter, that time I listened carefully the chapter. And at home, I read the chapter carefully without any burden. I don't learn the chapter, only just read the chapter. Second day, I reread the chapter and I underline the difficult words and lines. And I used to ask these difficult lines and words from my father. But you can ask us. We will solve your problem without taking time. Now, third day, what I used to do, I used to make questions from that chapter. More and more questions I used to make, and I used to write in copy, practice copy, and I also wrote the answers of those questions. And my problem started solving because my concept now cleared. I started making questions, I started writing answers, and I do all work on my own. My teachers helped me in making me understand the chapter concept. So students, this is the concept, this is the steps. First you listen carefully the chapter in class. Second, you read. You have not to mug up the questions, mug up the chapter, only read the chapter. Second day, you reread the chapter and understand the difficult words and lines. And after that, you make more and more questions. And that after that, you will see that back questions, automatically you will start learning. If you mug up, then you can't understand the chapter. You know students, every content of every subject has some use. So first try to find what is the use of every chapter of SST. You ask your teacher, ma'am, what is the use of this chapter? Why we are studying this chapter? After that, you listen carefully and you read the chapter. Okay? So first of all, you have to remove the fear from your mind of SST. Okay? SST is not big task. SST is not big difficult thing. Okay? And now I come to the importance of social science. Social science makes your GK strong. You know, engineer, MBA, when they fight the IAS and RAS exam, they take SST subject like history, geography, sociology, economics. They do not take maths, physics, chemistry. So now I hope you will take interest in SST without any burden. You read the chapter, you ask without hesitation. Okay? Thank you so much students. Love you so much.